Hello and welcome back to Kashmiri Harmony. Today we will learn how to say some common fruits in Kashmiri. Apple, zont. Repeat after me. Zont. Mango, amb. Repeat after me. Amb. Grapes, dash. Repeat after me. Dash. Orange, Sanktar. Repeat after me. Sanktar. Banana, kale. Repeat after me. Kale. Pomegranate, dern. Repeat after me. Dern. Strawberry, strawberry. Repeat after me. Strawberry. Pear, tongue. Repeat after me. Tongue. Peach, Sunan. Repeat after me. Sunan. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this lesson and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Kashmiri learning videos. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you will be notified whenever we post new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.